So what is this fund invested in? So if we scroll all the way to the bottom, you're going to see portfolio composition. So the portfolio composition is essentially telling you what will your money be invested in if you invest in it at that time. So if today we went in and we put in $100, this is how Vanguard would diversify that $100 if you put it in the Vanguard Target Retirement 2050 fund. So $53.7, so 53.7% would go into the Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund Institutional Plus shares. So the Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund is essentially the entire stock market within the US. So all of the companies that are traded publicly in the US, you're going to be invested in.